Welcome. In this video, we'll go step by step through how to turn off direct messages on Discord. Whether you're looking to reduce unwanted messages, boost your privacy, or just stay focused, this quick guide will show you the exact settings you need to change. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is open up your Discord app. Once you're in, take a look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will pull up your account menu where all of your settings live. Next, tap on the little settings icon. It looks like a small gear and it's located right next to your username. Once inside, you'll see a list of sections you can scroll through, but the one we're looking for is called Content and Social. This is where Discord keeps the options that control how you interact with other people on the platform. When you tap into Content and Social, look carefully for the option that says Allow direct messages from server members. By default, this is usually switched on, which means anyone you share a server with can send you a direct message. If you'd prefer more privacy or less random chatting, this is the setting you need to change. Now, all you have to do is toggle that switch off. Once it's turned off, server members will no longer be able to directly message you unless they are already on your friends list. This can really help cut down on spam, unwanted conversations, or just the general distraction of unexpected DMs filling your inbox. And that's it. The change is immediate, and you don't need to restart the app or save anything. From now on, your direct messages are closed off to anyone who isn't a confirmed friend on your account. Turning this option off is a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference when it comes to controlling your online space. If you ever change your mind or want to open DMs back up, you can return to the same place in your settings and toggle the option back on just as easily. So there you have it, a quick, updated walkthrough on how to turn off direct messages on Discord.